Hello everyone, my name is Vika and welcome to my channel VikaBakes. And today it's my special show, Sunday Mornings with Vika. And we are going to bake some gluten-free vegan banana pancakes. And it's super easy, super fast as usual, you know me. I don't like doing the long stuff, so let's get started. Yay! So we need 2 bananas. Of course, they have to be ripe like this, and they will be sweeter if they're ripe. And we're going to mix it with some oat milk and buckwheat flour. And I will leave all the ingredients in the description below. Okay, so we're going to use our fork and we're going to smash those.
And Hulk. Smash.
Done! And now we are going to add some oat milk. I'm starting with ½ cup of oat milk, and then we're going to add more. And we're also going to add some buckwheat flour, and I will start again with ½ cup, and then if anything we can always add more. I like buckwheat flour because it's gluten-free and it also has protein in it, so I think it's just great for breakfast. Okay, now I will add more milk because it's too thick. At this point you can start adding whatever you want, like protein powder. I'm adding vanilla. You can also add any kind of superfood you want. So I'm also adding apple pie spice, and you can add like cinnamon, so it doesn't matter. And also a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, my favorite. And that's it actually. The dough is ready. And now I'm going to cook them using coconut oil on this pan. Come here. Here is coconut oil. We are going to put some of it onto the pan and let it melt a little. Okay, and now we can start pouring our pancake batter. So I made a consistency like this, but you can also add more flour or more milk depending on how thick you want them to be. Okay, so I think it's nice and warmed up. Also, you can do different sizes. I'm doing, like, I say medium size. Like this. It's my favorite size. I'm using an 11-inch pan, and it usually fits 3 pancakes here. Okay, and I'm frying them on medium heat. I will maybe make it a little bigger. I do not cover them yet. And then now we just need to wait until the bubbles appear on the top. And my life hack, I'm using this silicone spatula, and it's perfect for flipping my pancakes because, to be honest, I tried this metal one before, it didn't work. I tried wooden before, it didn't work for me. I don't know, maybe it's because of the pan, but silicone spatula always saves me and always works. So use a silicone spatula if you have it, of course, or buy it. You will always use it because for cookies, for other things. Just love my silicone spatula. Ta-da! And you can cover them and let them sit there like a couple of minutes. And as you can see, I started preparing the toppings. So I'm using the kiwi, apples, 1 leftover apricot, and some blackberries. You can use whatever you have. And also as another topping, I'm going to use yogurt. I have Greek yogurt. You can use coconut yogurt if you're vegan, or any kind of dairy-free yogurt. And also we can put some coconut flakes on top, and I'm going to show you. Got it? 1, 2, 3. Nice. It's done. You can see, nice and cooked. Aren't they beautiful? And I almost forgot our dance, our pancake dance this time.
The question is, are you ready?
Some Greek yogurt, coconut yogurt, some blackberries, coconut flakes, kiwis, apples, and 1 apricot. That's it, and you can add any sweetener you like. You can add some honey, or if you're vegan, you can add maple syrup or I don't know, agave syrup. So I'm not adding anything because I think they're sweet enough because of banana. It's already sweet, and just enjoy them like this. Look at that. It's like summer in the plate, right? Okay guys, here you go, our banana vegan dairy-free gluten-free pancakes, banana pancakes for your perfect Sunday morning and your brunch maybe. So you can enjoy them right now with any seasonal fruit you like and have fun. I see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit like, and tell me what other breakfast recipes you would like me to make. Bye!